In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn an image into a video using AI. If you've ever wanted to take a still image and make it feel more alive, this process is actually very simple once you understand the workflow. The idea is to start with a strong visual concept, turn that concept into an image, and then use an image to video tool to add motion in a controlled way. To begin, open ChatGPT and ask it to create an image idea or a prompt for you. This is a great starting point if you're not completely sure what kind of scene you want. Be as clear as possible about the style, subject, lighting, and mood you want the image to have. The better the prompt, the better your image will usually be. Once you have that prompt or idea ready, generate the image you want to turn into a video or prepare an image you already have. This image is the foundation for the final animation, so it helps to choose one that is visually clear and interesting. Strong composition and a subject with obvious visual focus will usually give better results when motion is added later. Next, open an image to video AI tool. These tools are designed to take a still image and animate it based on your instructions. After opening the tool, upload the image you want to use. Make sure you select the correct file and give it a moment to fully load so the system can process it properly. Now it's time to add a motion prompt. This is where you describe how the image should move. For example, you might want the camera to slowly zoom in, the background to drift gently, or the subject to move in a subtle cinematic way. Try to keep the motion natural and specific. Clear instructions usually work better than vague ones. After that, generate the video preview. The tool will use your image and your motion prompt to create a first version of the animation. This preview is important because it lets you see how well the motion matches your idea before finalizing anything. Take a close look at the result and review it carefully. If the movement feels too strong, too weak, or just not quite right, adjust the prompt and try again. Small prompt changes can make a big difference, so refining the wording is often part of the process. Once the video looks correct and you're happy with the result, go ahead and download the final version. At that point, your still image has been successfully transformed into a video, ready to share, edit further, or use in your content.